XRP could have the most upside of any cryptocurrency right now in 2023. Now, what happens after that, 2024, 2025, a lot is untold, right? And a lot of things will unfold to kind of give us some good insight into what's coming. But in terms of this year, it feels like a pretty flat year across the board. Yeah, Bitcoin is up, but for altcoins, it's been quiet because why? Well, it's the SEC drama. It's the SEC coming after basically all altcoins, scaring people out of altcoins. But there's one big thing that's looming, and that is the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. And in this video, we're going to dive into what the Messari CEO is talking about with XRP and just how big he thinks this could be when we do get a decision. By the way, he does think a decision is coming soon as well. So we're going to dive into some very interesting things here as it relates to XRP. If you're an XRP holder, let me know by smashing the like button down below, dropping a comment, and subscribing to the channel. So XRP has been stuck in this range, very range bound here for a while, sitting at about 47 cents right now. Volume has picked up a little bit here in the last 24 hours, but nothing major. However, we could be on the brink of a major shift. I was talking to some people today, and some people who kind of look at TA a little bit more than I do. They think as soon as we get a decision, even if it's not a all-in win decision for Ripple, even if it's kind of like a draw, which I think that could be something that could happen, kind of a stalemate, if you will, and a new precedent set for altcoins. If we get that, this person I was talking to today, who's a big trader, said he sees XRP getting to around $8 to $9 just on that news alone, and potentially $15 to $18 on some positive news. So crazy, right? Now, let me take you inside this article, because the Messari CEO says Ripple versus SEC ruling is due soon, mentions Ripple CLO as the most important lawyer in 2023. That is Mr. Alderati. We're going to dive into why this guy is so important and why he could be the savior for all of us. And it's not just if you're in XRP. This is the thing that people need to realize. This video is massive for every single altcoin, every single thing that's not Bitcoin. This could impact us. So, and I think it will. Now, let me take you inside this. So, the Messari CEO, which, by the way, Messari is a top crypto market intelligence firm, he took to Twitter recently to share his thoughts on crypto for the second half of 2023. Check out his tweet. This is what he said. All right, he says, if 2023 is the year crypto sued the government, then Alderati, that is that lawyer with Ripple, is the most important lawyer not named Paul Grewal. Ripple's case versus the SEC will have an enormous impact on the future of non-Bitcoin assets and their trading in the United States. Basically, everything that's not Bitcoin is waiting to see what's going to happen with Ripple versus SEC. Point blank, period. Now, the ruling is due soon. This is coming from Ryan Selkis, again, CEO of Messari. Very well-respected crypto intelligence firm. Now, Alderati, the lawyer that is mentioned here, has been vocal critic of the U.S. SEC, filing motions and briefs that argue that the lawsuit against Ripple lacks merit. In a recent interview, he made it known that he would immediately file an appeal should the U.S. judge grant victory to the SEC. Now, furthermore, Alderati was part of the forces that saw to the ultimate release of the Hinman emails, a crucial piece in the ruling of the Ripple versus SEC case. Experts have argued that a multi-year case could end in August 2023. Interesting, right? Now, on the heels of that, we also have this going on in the background. The Messari CEO is talking about USDC stablecoin, in particular, Dante Disparte, the chief strategy officer. And this is another prominent figure mentioned by Selkis, CEO of Messari, and basically saying that what happens here could influence what DC does with CBDCs and central bank digital currencies. Dante and his team could play a huge role in what happens with that. I think that's another piece of this big crypto puzzle that we're trying to solve. Hopefully we can solve both of these issues, the Ripple versus SEC and the stablecoin issue, by the end of the year as we turn the page to 2024 and get ready for the next Bitcoin halving. If you guys got some value on this video, let me know by hitting the like button, subscribing down below. I appreciate you guys so much. We're going to be keeping very close tabs on what's happening with Ripple and XRP, because it's going to have drastic implications on the entire crypto space. Take care, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.